very nice. Maganda yung building natin, especially yung new one.
We're quite impressed with the workmanship. The painting works, really works well.
Mabilis silang kausap.
Smooth communication.
Okay naman po, wala naman po leakage.
Okay po ang ITC sa construction.
Good afternoon! Ang saya-saya po dito. Wait, umaga pa lang, ang haba ng araw. Good morning! We are now in P2C in QC and this is your CEO for ITC. I'm Architect Mikey. Yan.
Hello, good morning.
So, si Sir Barry, ang aming pinaka-bossing dito. So, kamusta po ating school building?
Very nice. Maganda yung building natin, especially yung new one.
It's our first project with FINMA and apat na kami, sir.
Yes,
Thank
more to
you.
come.
More to come. Thank you, sir. And
Thank you.
this is the second po natapos namin. Yeah, kasi yung first po fit out lang 2 months. 4-story building. Thank you so much,
Thank you.
Sir Barry.
Well, today we're quite impressed with the workmanship. From the phase 1 that we did for this company. The workmanship is good. Generally, the finishes are really nice. And then I think the painting works, really works well, and then the finish is really good.
So, ang experience naman namin, mabilis silang kausap. And then, what concerns arise on site, they immediately tell us and then waits for our confirmation or approval.
Smooth communication and working with ITC. Good job. Thank you.
Kamusta yung project? Experience nyo na lang sa project and with ITC along the way.
Okay po ang ITC sa construction.
Thank you.
As of now, nagpa-function na po tayo sa baba.
Okay naman po, wala naman po leakage. Okay na rin po lahat.
So, thank you very much.
Thank you po.
Till the next one. Bye.